In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the today function in Excel. The today function is a simple and very useful formula that returns the current date from your system. It updates automatically, which makes it helpful for spreadsheets that need to stay current without manual editing. You can use it in reports, task trackers, invoices, attendance sheets, or anywhere you want Excel to display today's date. To use it, click the cell where you want the date to appear. Then type the formula equals TODAO, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The formula is written as $TODAO. After that, press Enter. Excel will immediately display today's date in that cell. For example, it may show a date like 06/06/2026, depending on your regional date format and the formatting applied to the cell. In some versions of Excel, you might see the month, day, and year in a different arrangement, but the function still returns the current date. One important thing to understand is that the today function does not return a fixed date. It refreshes automatically based on the current day. That means when you open the workbook tomorrow, the result will update to tomorrow's date. This is especially useful when you want a spreadsheet to always reflect the present date without having to type it again. If needed, you can also change how the date looks by formatting the cell. For example, you can display it as a short date, a long date, or a custom format. This changes only the appearance of the date, not the value returned by the formula itself. But if your goal is simply to show the current date, today is the right option. So the key formula to remember is $today, and the result is today's date displayed automatically in Excel. It is quick to enter, easy to use, and very practical for everyday spreadsheet work. That covers everything you need to know.